I'm Minerva, and I'm just a journalist of no importance. May I have your name, miss?
I beg your pardon? I'm Sarah Levy. And I thank you for not trespassing, you vagabond.
Oh, my bad. I'm looking for a ghost, you see.
Whatever do you mean?
You're the ghost, dummy.
Ha! Cease your jests, madam. Ghosts don't even exist.
My mistake. Why don't you show me the door then?
Got lost. But I'm coming any minute now.
Then I'll just look around while you find your way or something. Cool?
Just don't break anything.
This hangar's looking lonely without coats.
Well, yeah, my parents went away.
Do you know where and why?
No, they should be back soon though.
Uh-huh. There's a log on the stairs.
We don't have logs in our house.
The clock is dead. Do clocks go to heaven?
Maybe?
Oh hey, door's open.
Well, it's just the dining room.
Huge table for just 3 chairs.
You mean 4? We a family of 4.
I assure you, only 3 are around the table.
Are you sure you counted right?
Counting chairs is one of my most developed skills.
That's oddly specific. Is that a useful skill in journalism?
Not really. Just passes the time. And impresses ghosts. There's a newspaper on the table.
My father read them all the time.
It's outdated as hell, though. You must have missed a few.
Really? How many?
You don't need to know this right now.
What? Why?
I'll tell you when you're older.
How rude! I read papers too, you know?
Oh yeah? Which ones?
Just one about ghosts and stuff. It's called Paraphysical.
Oh no, that's just hilarious.
Don't judge me for that!
Oh, you misunderstand. I'm the person behind that journal.
Really? Oh, Minerva, of course! Oh gosh, I adore your work, madam.
Prepare your butt then, because you're my next star.
Really? Oh.
Huh. The painting's gone.
Do you steal it?
Maybe your parents removed it?
Maybe.
Just kidding, it's probably stolen. This is more empty than I thought.
Your eyes might deceive you. Our chef is quite extravagant in his taste and decoration.
I believe you, but there's none of it here.
How can this be?
Oh, there's an old letter here.
What did it say?
It's addressed to his family, it seems. He's mostly saying goodbye. He talks as if he will never see them again. Didn't manage to send it, I guess. Locked. Locked. Nope. Almost nothing here.
That's impossible. This is a maid's room. She kept it to herself, but it shouldn't be empty.
Hey, a bunch of keys!
Our maid had key to most rooms. They should be labeled.
Yep, they're numbered 1 to 4.
Oh yeah, those are key for a bedroom, I think. They're all upstairs. Hold on! Are you gonna snoop around in my room?
I don't have a choice, I'm afraid.
I swear, as soon as I figured out where I am, I'll...
That's precisely what we're trying to figure out.
I know! I know. Well, the only way upstairs is in the entrance.
Time to raid your kitchen. Holy crap. If a zombie apocalypse ever starts, we'll know where it came from. I'll take a note to incinerate all this crap after I'm done.
It can't be that bad.
You're lucky you're dead and can't smell this.
Stop saying that I'm dead.
Impressive set of knives.
Thanks.
Shame they're scrambled all over the place.
Oh yeah, my mom's terrible in the kitchen.
Your mom? I assumed you at least had a chef for this kind of kitchen.
We did too. I mean, we do. I'm not really sure what happened, but I remember my mom cooking as well.
And you don't remember what happened to him?
No, I'm sorry.
It's fine. We have plenty of time to figure it out. Dare I look inside? I think that whatever's in there has overflown back to being alive. You shan't escape, abomination.
What do you say to me?
Not you. Locked. Time to make use of my motor functions. Phew, I'm too old for this. Second door from the left.
That's my brother's. Been a while since I last saw him.
Ha! I'm not going through that mess. Okay, first door from the left.
That's my room!
Alright, moment of truth. Is my kind host going to be in there?
I gotta be. Where else would I
Looks fairly normal and dead bodiless.
be? I can't see you either.
Would have been too easy. A desk with a mirror. Bed, well made. A tub, nobody in it. I dare say this was immeasurably disappointing. Remembering anything, Sarah?
About my room? Well, nothing special. I guess my dad visited my room more often lately to talk about our chef and our maid. He tried to explain why they were gone.
So your servants were gone after all. That's why your mother was cooking and cleaning in their stead, I assume. And why their room was empty. Second door from the right.
That's my parents' room. Please be careful.
Let's hope this one ain't wrecked. A bit dusty, but otherwise unremarkable. Barely anything left in there. Nothing on the desk. Drawers are completely empty. Ooh, there's something under the bed. A bunch of photos and a letter.
Under the bed?
All photos of the same young man. Some of them seem to be torn as if they're parts of larger photos.
Only one young man in my house. Must be my brother.
The letter is addressed to your parents. He specifically asks to be forgotten and for any evidence of him being here to be destroyed.
What?
What I'm seeing is that his parents did as told, but couldn't bring themselves to destroy everything.
But why would he say that to them?
Sarah, does the term la résistance mean anything to you?
It's my... why?
No reason. First door from the right.
That's my father's office. I'm not usually allowed in there.
Damn, now there's info all over the place. I'll need a shovel for this. interesting.
What is?
Your father was quite the influential man, wasn't he?
What do you mean, was?
He did his best to protect the people he cared about, especially you. Well, he tried anyway. And your servant's departure makes sense now.
Just what points are you trying to make?
The point is that anti-Semitism was hard to fight against back then. His last plans mention a cellar. I don't suppose you know anything about that.
No?
That's all right. I found keys to the library room here. It's probably the last place to look. Lock blocked. Hey Sarah, did you know the Earth was round?
Are you mocking me?
I know, right? Couldn't believe it either. Of course you'd have a wine cellar.
I think I just heard your voice more clearly.
Then you must be in there.
Probably, and most certainly alive.
Well, the door's locked. If you're still alive, I don't suppose you could open it for me.
Sure. Actually, no.
Huh?
I won't open it.
Why?
I'm not supposed to open it to anyone.
Right. And not because you can't open it. How long are you going to lie to me and yourself?
Don't call me a liar. You could easily be one of those officers looking to finish me off. And you're the one who lied to me. I remember that the paraphysical was founded in the 18th century. And you're its sole writer? I'm supposed to believe that you're that old?
First of all, were there any women among those officers?
Well, no.
And besides, maybe I am that old. You read my ghost stories all the time, but can't accept that?
Either way, I can't open the door for you.
Then I need another way in.
Maybe my dad had another key.
I'll just pick the lock if you don't mind.
Well, are you in? I can't see you.
But I can see you.
Huh? How?
I'm sorry to announce that the cellar houses only barrels of wine and a skeleton.
What?
To be fair, I would be much more surprised if you were alive after all this time.
What do you mean after all this time?
Before that, how's your memory now?
I think I remember mostly everything.
Then please, tell me everything.
Okay. Well, I remember people in uniforms visiting us a few times. My dad was never happy having them here. Me neither. They took our chef and our maid. Dad said they would never get to me. They did try though. I was told to hide here and only come out once the noises stopped. They never stopped though. They kept walking, talking, dragging things. And my parents never came back for me.
They must have had a plan to get you out but didn't get a chance. You probably died of hunger or cold.
But I still don't get it. How can I be dead? I'm still here.
That's precisely the problem. The fact that you stayed behind as a ghost.
I'm supposed to believe that they exist now?
Yes.
I still don't get it. Why did I become a ghost then? Because I died without having fulfilled some wish? To haunt any trespasser?
Oh, nothing romantic like that. The actual reason is complicated.
Tell me everything, please.
So, when a person dies, their soul traverses the veil that separates the realm of the living and the dead.
And I, what, took a wrong turn?
No, rather you were pushed back. Probably.
How does that happen?
Plenty of possible reasons, but my guess is that it's because of your parents. They must have died before you did, while being aware of your situation, and wished you to live as long as possible. So they went through, and you did not.
Are you really just a journalist?
I am. I just happen to come across anomalies like these, and solve them before they become public.
Hold up! How can you keep them secret if you write about them in your journal?
By publishing them after the anomaly is gone, there's no more tangible proof of it.
But the first articles are from a century ago.
Yeah.
That's all you have to say about that?
Yep. We don't have much time left.
Before what?
The next morning, people are coming to inspect this house. I would spare them an encounter with a ghost.
So, that means getting me to the other side, right? I've seen my parents there.
When people die in the same time frame, yeah, they can sometimes find each other on the other side. But souls don't last beyond the veil forever. After a few months, they just dissipate.
Well, surely it hasn't been that long since my death.
I'm sorry to say that we're currently past the 21st century.
That cannot be.
By being stuck among the living, your soul lasted a long time here. But even your time will expire soon. You won't get to see the beyond. It probably won't comfort you that much, but know that the war is over, and the people who took your family have lost.
No, it doesn't comfort me at all.
We still have some time. I'll be with you until the end.
Okay.
I don't want the memory of your life to disappear. Would you like to recall it for me? You can tell me whatever you want, good or bad.
Sure, okay. Where to begin?
Thank you. The time has come. Are you ready?
Yes. No. How could I ever be ready for this? So just do it.
Okay. Listen closely.
Mm-hmm.
Relax and imagine that you're in a dream. Before you is a curtain, and you're one step away from going through. A force is pushing you forward, and all you have to do is let it.
Yes, I see it.